Hello everyone, it's me Rona. I am heading across the bridge, the Woodrow Wilson, as always, heading back from one of many adventures. Today I went to the Crate and Barrel outlet over in Alexandria, Virginia, which is just on the other side of the Woodrow Wilson from where I normally hang out in the lovely state of Maryland. One of the things that I love to do is to go back and forth, looking for deals, looking for unique items, statement pieces for your particular space. And I think I was able to find quite a few nice deals that I'll share with you. Here shortly. If you haven't had a chance already, be sure to go to my YouTube channel and check out the color design series that I'm putting together. I am working on doing one of those at least once a week, and I'm just going to keep doing them. And part of the reason why I'm doing those is because I want to be able to show you how to pull in some of the statement pieces into your space with a little bit of color. For those of you who are afraid of paint, I'm showing you different ways that you can have the colors that you love in your design or your space with statement pieces, paint, artwork, pillows, you name it. So it's designed to give you inspiration for the colors that you love. And hopefully you'll find a color that you're interested in. I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and I look forward to seeing you in my next design field trip adventure. One of the things that I encourage you to do is download a copy of the 7 Elements of Design, and you can find that in the links below on any of my videos. But the 7 Elements of Design is a PDF that I created that helps you to identify some of the pieces that are missing that you may need for your design plan, or some of the dream pieces that you want. And it helps you to start to fine-tune your budget, and from there you'll be able to make better choices, and you'll be able to stick to your plan. Now on this tour, I wanted to focus on some of the elements that you might not necessarily think about as essentials, like this bar cart, for example, or in this next frame here, this sofa table. You want to definitely bring in the things that you need, but these are some of those nice to have elements that you might think about incorporating as well. But one of the things that I love about outlet stores is some of these items come from other regional locations in the area, and you will be surprised how many opportunities there are in here of different pieces that you didn't see at one of the stores that you're located nearby, but in the outlet store you might actually find it. So it might be a good idea to just come through, stroll through, and see what they have on the floor. I'm looking at a lot of pieces here that could be potentially fillers for places in your home, like your basement, maybe a spare bedroom, an office, a kid's room. There's just so many different opportunities here, and I wanted to be able to highlight all of the opportunities that I noticed. For example, they have some lovely desks in here, and the prices are phenomenal. Everything is identified. One of the things that I noticed is that they do have a timeline. So just because you see it here in the video doesn't mean that it's gonna be here. It's one of those things where you come in, you see something that you like. I saw a staging area in the back for things that were sold. So if it's something in here that you want to make a move on, I would definitely do that. This is the location for finding those little gems here and there. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. I certainly did. I had a good time walking around and identifying some of the elements of design. And again, if you want to get a copy of that, be sure to look at the links below, or you can go to my website at dnbinteriors.com. I also have a workshop that you can do on your own so that you can start to implement some of the design plans that you'll see in that workshop. Not only that, but you'll be able to identify the 5 inputs that you need for any design plan, and you'll be able to apply that workshop fee towards any of the services that I provide. I love to do online design projects, so definitely take a look at that, and you can email me and let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you in the next design video. Take care.